Hello everyone. This isn't going to be a very long video. We're trying to work on my highway pegs, and our German Shepherd's joining us. Not much of anything, but just hay and trying to get my pegs fixed. Is it coming along? What happened?
Nothing. Nothing.
Nothing. Sorry, I'm sitting on my motorcycle. Couldn't turn around and get the dog. Things happen. There she is, being all purty. Hey, Karma. You gonna help Daddy do the motor stuff pegs? What's the problem? I mean, what are they doing?
It's just binding up on your crash bar.
Is it because my crash bar's bent?
No. No, it's just being a retard for some reason.
So here's my bike, guys. As if you haven't already seen it, but she just got back from the shop and she's looking pretty doggone good. We're hoping that we have fixed the problem I was having where it would just die on the highway going about 60 miles an hour. The bike would just completely die. These are new on both sides. Switch these out in case it was the module there. Next step, if that's not right, is we're going to have to go into the computer, which I really don't want to do because that means money. My husband butt.
That's going to be real close, isn't it?
Let me get on the bike.
Is that close?
Let me see. Oh, that's too far.
Too far away from you?
Yeah.
There you go. I can also come this way too.
That's almost, yeah. If you come this way, just maybe towards me, into the bike, just like another ½ inch.
I can also come this way once I get it on.
Okay, yeah, that's good. That works.
Come do me a favor then, will you?
Okay. What do you want me to do?
Hold this piece right here, just like that, so it doesn't move.
Hold this?
Yeah, just like that. Okay, stupid fringes.
Hey, I like them.
Yeah, they don't like me right now.
They add to the badness of my bike.
Oh, you weren't supposed to move it. Don't worry about it.
Well, you pulled on it. No, when you pulled it back, it pulled me.
Okay.
I think he got upset. He walked off. He's coming back. He left again because the fringe of my bike's kind of pissing him off a little bit. But he's helping fix my highway pegs, yay. Ingenious.
I don't think so. Where'd the washer go?
The washer. Found it. Remember when you put these on for me in Reno?
Mm-hmm. Gonna get back on your bike again?
Okay.
I can turn it in more.
Yeah. If you can bring it over this way, just have my boot there. Yeah, that's not going to be in my way. That'll work.
Okay.
That'll work.
Is that the right angle? Do it again.
Okay.
You just
Then,
have to
yeah,
learn.
put them down because that'll work better, because if it doesn't, I mean, we can always change them,
Yeah,
right?
do it again. See here? It doesn't work if your boot's in there. You just learn to move your foot if you need to.
Well, yeah, it's caught me wherever it was before. It has caught me up some. Is there a way that it can swing back towards me so when it's up it goes into a...
No.
Yeah, that'll work. Okay, put it back up and let me...
Okay, let me look at my bike here 1 second.
Okay.
See what...
Well, I know this side is good.
Well, both my bolts fit
Uh-huh.
your motor. Here. Oh, that's why it was so weird.
Why?
It was upside down. Now that's interesting.
What the heck? Because the Willie G dude's supposed to be on top.
What? Well, how does that even work?
What the heck happened?
What the frick? It's this right here. It's just right here. Here's me. See, mine are just like this.
Uh-huh.
So when I push mine down, that's where they are.
Okay, let me try. Okay, put it up. No, that's going to be fine. Yeah, that gives, yes, that's the right, that works.
God, I wonder why yours are so freaking tough to...
I better not move that. He'll get mad at me. If you can you tighten it right there where it is?
That's what I'm going to try to do. This thing does not want to do right here. Because we like this position right here.
Yeah, that stays out of my way. Because that one's not as critical as having to get to as on the other one.
Yep, your brake? Yeah. Oh yeah, the brake is even worse.
Yeah, the brake right here, it's fine. It's not in my way at all.
Okay. And that's going to fold up just like that. So let me see if I can get this...
See my pretty fringe? It hits me in the arm whenever I ride. You're being a good girl, Karma. Where's your toy? Where's your toy? Get your toy. Girlfriend, let me have it.
Okay. All right, this isn't...
Karma? Where'd your toy go? It rolled under the motorcycle. Carm, your toy's under my bike. You can get it. What, is there Loctite on it?
Yeah, that's why it's being so difficult, which is supposed to have some Loctite on it. But man, it is being terrible.
Look, those tattoos.
Yeah, skinny old man tattoos.
I don't think so. Oh, she got it. She got it.
And that's why it's
It has what?
4 different pivot points. Even this thing moves, see it? See her?
Oh, yeah.
Everything has a possibility of moving when you swivel it, so.
And Jason did a good cover up. Is it working now?
Yeah, will that still work for you like that? Well, that's where it was. Yeah.
Yeah, because, I mean,
See, I can rotate it to you just a little bit like that, see it?
yeah, that's actually right there is probably perfect. I say that now, but I wonder when you... Well, no, because when you pull it up, it won't be in the way of my foot.
Right there, see it?
No, that's fine. That's great. That's perfect. Yeah, because if...
You just need to learn to shift your foot a little
Oh,
bit.
yeah, no, that's fine. That's going to work fine
And
because...
you can put your foot all the way out on it.
Yeah, here, put... Oh, yeah. See, I can rest my foot like that, which is what I do when we're on trips.
This one here?
Yeah.
You mean roll this more, or is that okay like that?
No, I like it. I like it where it is. If I have to, no, this is good.
Because it's not in the way of putting your brake on, is it?
No. And always wear boots when you ride. No sandals, no barefoot. I don't know why people do that. That's just stupid. Stupid.
Well, there you go. That should work.
Oh yeah, that works. We'll try it, and if it doesn't, I mean, we can always adjust it. Yeah, this is the one I was having trouble with. So yeah, that works.